Well, let's go with y'all niggas. What's up? What's up? What's good? What's good? Wouldn't sorry for the late uploads. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I was kind of busy and shit. You know what I'm saying? So like today we're gonna be continuing the 48 laws of power analysis, and you know what I'm saying? We're gonna be going to law number fucking 21, and yeah, let's just get straight into it. No intro and shit. Alright. The title is "To Catch a Sucker, You Have to Be a Sucker." You know what I'm saying? So like let's talk about it like this. Um there's a reason why people speak different languages, right? And so when people speak different languages and they speak the same language, you know what I'm saying? That person can easily deceive that person simply because they share the same language. It's more like a patriotic symbolism, right? So how does this relate to what the title is, right? It says, okay, like look at it like this. In order to deceive a sucker, you need to become a sucker in their eyes. Alright? You need to seem stupider or more or dumber. Let me not say stupider. That sounds weird. Or you need to seem dumber than them. This will create yet another smokescreen for you to help protect you from being caught attempting deception, since no one thinks that the most dumbest person can come up with elaborate plans. This is why, like, for example, in law one, when it says never outshine your master. You know what I'm saying? Because like if you try to outshine, you get caught. You will the king or the master in this case will be looking at you, observing you, seeing if you try and do some slick shit. You know what I'm saying? But then if you are like a Chester that knows he's better than the king, and even then downplays his thing, he's humble enough to downplay it. He can easily do whatever he wants. You know what I'm saying? Cause like this book is more it's all about creating smoke screens and all that. You know what I'm saying? Deceptions and how do you do deceptions, you do smoke screens and all that, right? So yeah, use this to your advantage and watch how your targets become so surprised that they won't be able to do anything. Like you know what I'm saying? Like I don't got any like reference I can give example is, but like just try it, bro. Like think of it like this. Um your teacher, right? Just if you're in school, you know what I'm saying? Like you have a final exam later, just start failing, bro. Like just start failing for like the next two exams to prepare for the final, just start failing, right? Teacher will be like, you know what I'm saying? She'll be like, hey, what's happening? You know what I'm saying? Right? And then last exam, you just pass, like the same way you usually would. You know, it'll be like sort of like surprised, like whoa, like, oh shit, what happened? Like the sudden drop in the sudden rise is like what happened? You know what I'm saying? And yeah, that's it for the video, my guy. Don't forget to like, comment below, subscribe. Holla back at your boy. Um, and yeah, I'm just trying to finish the series. You know what I'm saying? So we can move on to laws of power, 33 strategies of war, and all that, and law seduction. And yeah, holla back at your boy. And yeah, shit.